Hey Doves, welcome back. If you're new, welcome. My name is Kemora, and in this video, I'll be showing you how I prep my hair for my braided styles. If you want to see more, keep on watching. Welcome back everyone. As you can see, I'm starting out on freshly washed hair, clean and shiny. And I already did my detangling and my deep conditioning off camera. What I'm doing now, I'm just preparing my hair for the braids. And the white residue you're seeing on my hair is as a result of my leave-in conditioner. And I tried to saturate my hair in a lot of that because this is supposed to be a protective styling. So I did my leave-in conditioner and I used my hair oil or my hair grease, as some people will call it, just to kind of coat my hair and moisturize it. This is definitely why my hair lasted as long as it did. So if you want your braids to last longer and also to stay moisturized, to have your natural hair, moisturized and neat, I suggest you try this braid prep routine. It will work, I promise it will. I love it and I will definitely keep doing it like this for my crochet and my non-crochet braid styles. With my hair texture, I have to comb quite often. I have to detangle for everything. I'm just gonna do a quick plait of the roots, and I'm doing this because it will hold better for the crochet braids, and that's what I did for my passion twist video, and you can check that out also. I did a good video on how you could do it, and you don't have to be a professional. You will get the hang of it, and I showed how I did the crochet method, and this is exactly how I prepped my hair for that style. Now if you notice my parting, I'm not necessarily starting at the temples of my head. I'm starting in the back, and that's a trick to basically do the brick layout, and this will help you to basically not have sparse braids. So I'm just using my finger as a guide to part, and you just take your time. It doesn't have to be perfect. The only reason my parts are semi-straight is because I can see exactly what I'm doing. And this, I can tell you, this is the hardest part of braiding, just preparing your hair. So if you're able to prepare your hair before you are ready to braid, you will get majority of your work out of the way. For the top part, I'm just creating like a U part. So I part from one temple to the next, and that gives a U shape, and then I'll just part in the center of my head, in the back of my head. I'll just start my parting right there, and that will help me to create the layout that you can see. If you notice where I have a part, a braid will fall right in the middle of that part. So this helps if you have a few braids or bigger braids. It will help to conceal the parts and make your braids fuller. And I'm just adding extra moisture as I go along. As I said, this should be a protective style, so I'm doing my best to coat my hair because my hair can get very dry. And if you don't like combs, that's fine. I personally need to comb my hair because my strands, they're so fine, so they get tangled, so I can't just finger comb or finger detangle my hair and just go. I have to go in with different sizes. So you'll see me use a bigger size comb, then I go in with a smaller size, but I only use a smaller size after I already used, the bigger ones. And I just twist all the way down and move on to the next braid. only plait the roots of my hair for crochet style, so like my passion twist, my faux locks. For the other styles, like my Marley twist, which I will link the video above if you're interested in seeing how I do my Marley style braids, I would twist my hair from the root. So the only reason I'm doing this was because I was preparing for a crochet style. Now I'm just showing you the finished product. As I said, the hardest part is getting your parting straight or even. As soon as you're done that, basically you're done braiding your hair. That's the hardest part for me. And I'm just showing you how I intentionally parted my hair so my braids will just fall, as I mentioned earlier. This is so helpful, and what happens is if you're gonna braid your hair yourself, by preparing your hair ahead of time, it will make your sit down much easier. So when you decide that you're gonna braid your hair, you would have already gone through the hardest part. And if you look closely, you see how the braids fall. They basically hide the parts, and I have just a few braids, like it's not even the smallest. For the top of my head, I parted my hair to suit myself. Like I like to wear my hair center or a side part, so that's what I did. You can see the center part, and I'm just showing you my products that I used. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching again. Love you, doves. Bye.